Hello students, this is the question. What are the important profitability ratios? How are they worked out? Profitability ratios are calculated on the basis of profit earned by a business. This ratio gives a percentage to assess the financial viability, profitability, and operational efficiency of the business. The various important profitability ratios are as follows. The first is gross profit ratio, operating ratio, operating profit ratio, net profit ratio, return on investment or capital employed, earning per ratio, dividend payout ratio, price earning ratio. Gross profit ratio. It shows the relationship between gross profit and net sales. It shows the relationship between gross profit and net sales. It depicts the trading efficiency of a business. A higher gross profit ratio implies a better position of a business, whereas a low gross profit ratio implies an inefficient, unfavorable sales policy. The formula is gross profit ratio equal to gross profit into 100 upon net sales. Gross profit equal to net sales minus cost of goods sold. Net sales equal to total sales minus sales return. Cost of goods sold equal to opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock, or sales minus GP. Net sales minus GP. Operating ratio. It shows the relationship between cost of operations and net sales. This ratio depicts the operational efficiency of a business. A low operating ratio implies higher operational efficiency of the business. A low operating ratio is considered better for the business as it enables the business to be left with a greater amount after covering its operation costs to pay for interests and dividends. Operating ratio equal to operating cost into 100 upon net sales. Operating cost equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses, and cost of goods sold equal to sales minus gross profit. Operating profit ratio. It shows the relationship between the operating profit and net sales. It helps in assessing the operational efficiency and the performance of the business. Operating profit ratio equal to operating profit into 100 upon net sales. Operating profit equal to 100 minus operating ratio, or operating profit equal to sales minus operating cost. Net profit ratio. It shows the relationship between net profit and sales. High ratio is better for firm. It depicts the overall efficiency of a business and acts as an important tool to the investors for analyzing and measuring the viability and performance of the business. Net profit equal to net profit into 100 upon net sales, or net profit ratio equal to net profit before tax into 100 upon net sales. Net profit ratio equal to net profit after tax into 100 upon net sales. This is different options. Return on investment or capital employed. It shows the relationship between the profit earned and the capital employed to earn that profit. It is calculated as return on investment or capital employed equal to profit before tax, interest and tax into 100 upon capital employed. Capital employed equal to fixed assets plus current assets minus current liabilities, or capital employed equal to share capital plus reserves and surplus plus long term funds minus fictitious assets. This ratio depicts the efficiency with which the business has utilized the capital invested by the investors. It is an important yardstick to assess the profit earning capacity of the business. Earning per share. It shows the relationship between the amount of profit available to distribute to dividend among the equity shareholders and number of equity shares. Earning per share equal to profit available for equity shareholders upon number of equity shares. Profit available for equity shareholders equal to net profit after tax minus preference shares dividend.